You want to know why? Let me tell you why. Because everyone that you know that hasn't given their life to Jesus will burn in hell for all of eternity. Hell is not a joke, it's not an analogy, it's a real place with no end in sight. There is no relief from suffering ever. Not once, not for a moment, not from here until the end of eternity, which does not exist. Everyone who does not give their life to Jesus Christ will be separated from Him in darkness and the lake of fire for all of eternity. It will not end. There is no end. There is no annihilation. It is eternal suffering. People that you love, people that you know. You want to know why you need to pay attention? Because if you don't do something about it, the people that you know are going to spend an eternity in hell. The people that you love will be lost forever. And because that's why we want to pay attention to how. I care because I don't want my family going to hell. I care because the people